Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the rapier in New World. The rapier is a fantastic weapon for those who love agility and precision. It offers exceptional mobility and evasion, allowing you to dance around your enemies. This weapon truly shines in one-on-one combat, delivering high single-target damage and enabling swift repositioning on the battlefield. It primarily scales with dexterity, with a secondary scaling from intelligence, making it versatile for various builds. Let's dive into the core abilities that make the rapier so effective. Evade allows for a quick sidestep in any direction, providing momentary invulnerability and often a damage boost for your next attack. Riposte is a crucial counterattack that stuns enemies, leaving them vulnerable. Flurry unleashes a rapid series of 5 thrusts, dealing significant burst damage. Lastly, Tondo applies a bleed effect, which stacks up to 3 times, gradually draining your target's health over 12 seconds. Mastering the rapier involves smart combat strategy. Always prioritize dodging and evading attacks to maximize your survivability and maintain offensive pressure. Use riposte strategically to interrupt enemy abilities and create critical openings. A powerful combo involves applying Tondo's bleeds, then following up with Flurry to consume those bleeds for immediate burst damage. Remember to use Evade to reposition, maintain optimal distance, and re-engage when the moment is right. When building your rapier character, attribute allocation is key. You should primarily focus your points into dexterity to maximize your weapon's damage output. A secondary investment in intelligence will also boost your damage, especially if you pair it with an elemental gem. For armor, light armor is highly recommended as it provides the best mobility and a 15% damage bonus. Seek out gear perks that enhance your critical hit chance, or reduce your ability cooldowns for continuous pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.